Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can get your Chromecast status into Domoticz and use it, for example, in scripts. We are going to need a couple of things. This link I will put into the description, and if we open it we can go to the GitHub of the guy that made the script, the initial script at least, and we obviously need Domoticz, which we installed in a previous video. So we are going to SSH into our Domoticz server, and at first install the Chromecast module. You can do that by copying this command and pasting it by right clicking into the body interface and click enter. And I see this is a little outdated because we need to do sudo pip3 install Chromecast because we're going to use Python 3. If you do the other command sudo pip, it will not work. You will get weird error messages and such. While that's installing, we can make a dummy switch. We installed the dummy device's hardware device earlier in another video, but if you don't have that already, you can go under new hardware, dummy, and you can add that one. So we can now create a virtual sensor, and I call it Chromecast, and it's a switch. Okay, now under devices we've got a new device, and we need to remember the IDX of that device. We'll see, is it already installed? No, we have to wait a little still. I will cut and when this is finished, and we will proceed. Alright, now that Chromecast is installed, we can go to the next step, and that is this script. I will put that in the description, but you will need to we will put this into a script in the Domoticz server, but we need to edit some things first. First we need to edit the URL. My URL is 192.168.2.33, but you need to edit that for your specific one. You need to put in your IDX, in my case it's 2, and the name of your Chromecast. So in my case that will be this. Now we can select this all and copy. Now we need to go to into our Pi and go to the Domoticz, and we need to go to the scripts. No, actually we will make a separate folder for this so that we don't mess up things within Domoticz. So we go to home Pi and make a direction mkdir Domoticz scripts, cd Domoticz dz scripts, and we can put a new script in here called Chromecast.py. So we'll make a new file by using the command sudo nano chromecast.py. Now we have a new empty file, and we copy this, and by right clicking over here it will be pasted into the document. We go Ctrl X, Y, enter, and now we have the file chromecast.py, and we can already test if it's working by using the following command: nohub python 3 chromecast.py. And if we go over here and do that, we go into our Domoticz switches, and if I now get my phone and connect to the Chromecast, give me 1 second, we will see some things in the log. See, I started playing on my Chromecast audio, and now it says it's playing, and if I pause, it will pause, and if everything goes correctly, it will turn off the switch in Domoticz, and it turned off. Right, so now you obviously don't want your body to be open for this to work the whole time, so we are going to put this into the startup script. So Ctrl+C, you get your command line back, and we are going to put this in the rc.local, and that is, you can get there by typing sudo nano/etc/rc.local, and in here we will go between the FI and the user as bin mosquito, and we need to put in there this type of bit of code, and we will edit this for the DZ script folder that we made. So you need to check if this path is correct. Then we need to copy that and paste it into here. Exit and save by Ctrl+X and Y and enter. Then reboot your Pi, and it will start automatically, and it will get the status of your Chromecast device and switch the virtual switch in Domoticz if something is playing on the device. I hope this was helpful to you, and yeah, if you got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.